In today's video, I am going to teach you how to assign tasks in Outlook. Assigning a task is a simple way to delegate work and keep yourself in the loop without chasing status updates. I'll walk you through the entire flow from opening Outlook to sending the assignment, plus a few tips to make your task clear and actionable. Start by opening Outlook and going to the Tasks area in the navigation bar. Depending on your layout, you might see it along the left or bottom of the window. If you like shortcuts, press Ctrl+4 to jump there instantly. Next, decide whether you are creating something new or assigning something you already started. To start fresh, click New Task. If the task already exists, just double-click it to open. Either way, you'll be looking at the task window where you can add the details people will need to get the job done. Now turn this into an assignment. On the ribbon at the top, click Assign Task. You'll notice the window changes to show a To field which tells Outlook who you are delegating to. Fill in the details carefully. In the To field, enter the recipient. Keep the subject short but descriptive so it stands out in their inbox. Set a start date if timing matters. Then choose a due date that's realistic. Use priority to signal urgency. Normal is fine for most work, while high should be reserved for items that truly need immediate attention. Use the body of the task to capture the goal, key requirements, and any links or context they'll need. Clear instructions up front, reduce back hand forth later. Before you send, look at the tracking options. Keep an updated copy of this task on my task list. Checked so you can see progress on your side, including changes to status and completion percentage. Keep Send me a status report when this task is complete turned on as well. That way, when the assignee marks it done, Outlook notifies you automatically. When everything looks right, click Send. Outlook emails the task to the person you chose and tracks the assignment behind the scenes. They can accept or decline, and once they accept, any updates they make can flow back to your copy. You'll see status changes in your tasks list, and you'll get that completion report when they finish. That's all it takes to assign tasks in Outlook. Thanks for watching.